Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to send reminders before a deadline in Notion. So I'm just going to create a quick database. You do need a database view, so I'm just going to make up one. Click here. Let's just do a task tracker. And it doesn't really matter what it is. So here we have due date, and as long as your database has a due date, you can use this reminder because you need a date. So let's say this is like urgent project. I need a reminder, right? So this thing, maybe it's not started, maybe it's in progress, doesn't matter. But the due date, we're going to click on this. I'm not sure why it generated February 2025, but down here there's a remind, and you can click on remind, and you can choose if you want on the day of or a day before, 2 days before. And when you do that, this will send you a notification, and you'll get like a red ping over here, like a 1, and you'll get a reminder. Now, if you want to also receive an email reminder, you can change that in your settings, which my sidebar is very cluttered. So I just just click on this, and then there's settings, and when you're in settings, just this tab, notifications tab, you can have Slack notifications, Discord notifications, email notifications, and you can do always send email notifications. You can also send a test notification to make sure it works. But the default is only in app. But if you add email and link it, then you can get an email. And actually, I think you get both. Well, I get both. So that's all you need to do. And now this red thing has an alarm. You know you're going to get reminded. You can also mess around with the date a little bit. So if we did include time, then it's a time zone. And if you need more information, you can click on this. It's going to open up a web page describing how the reminders work. So hope this helps. Thank you.